What do they say in the movies? Fresh water, fresh horses. A few more pictures and some water. We're heading, I think, to the end here, getting pretty close. I don't know how close, but yep, some really cool bluffs. I could literally, from my house, bike to Mystic Lake Casino, because this drops you off kind of down there by what the hell? Down by 5, down by 212, I could cruise across the river through Shakopee. It would take me a good hour, 15 to get there, but I could bike to Mystic Lake if I wanted to, or Canterbury and play poker. Oh, my goodness. Oh, what lake this is right here. Might be Riley. I don't know what lake this is. I don't know what it is. It's a nice big lake. On the way down here, you could some picnic tables. Oh my goodness. Yep, the old Chicago Northwestern. You can tell some of the trees are starting to turn a little bit. There's a big willow to my right there. Fell down. Those are cool trees, but they have very shallow roots. When they come down, they come down. They haven't been down this trail in, I'd say, 20 years easily. Yep. It's really cool down in here. Oh my goodness. Just a lot of sumac and purple. And imagine if you're on a train. It's coming along here, man. Doot, doot. How they carved this thing out. I mean, they probably had to move a lot of dirt to get this out of here. You can tell they did. Oh, cool back in the forest back. That's cool. Be some great scenery when you're on a train going through the Rockies. Ouch. You're gonna get a crack in your kneecap. Go side by side, girl. I don't know what road that is. No idea. Maybe Audubon, I have no idea. Heads over to Prince's place. Maybe. There's an entrance right up there. Cruise on up there. Like I said before, there's a ton of trails in Wisconsin and also Iowa of old train. There's that one guy I watched. He was an hour 15 of Milwaukee Road when it went through all the way out to Washington. It was really cool. The guy followed it. Very good, the documentary. Heck yeah. Could be a long ride back, but it's the way it is, man. You go down a hill, you gotta go up a hill. Slow incline. Tell you, back in here in the dark, it's a trail straight up that hill. Good luck coming down there, man. Raining outside or something. Yeah, digging out this thing, because you come up here, you got some really deep areas up in here. Wow. Right there, it's straight down rock wall. Goodness. Probably, yeah, it's deep down there on the right side, so they got smart and put some fences up because it is a long drop down there. I mean, a long drop. I bet you $5 they had a bridge here. They just filled it in. Oh, yep, way. Whew. That's some. Probably did. I mean, it's. I'm talking. To my left there, I can see Shakopee. To my left. Oh yeah, that was kind of cool. Yep. Oh, up the hill here. Whew. Oh. Whew. Yep. Beautiful. Well, anyways, give her a stop here. So, anyways, so I'm gonna put another battery in. But anyways, guys, I think we're coming to the end here. One tired pup. See you next one, man. Yahoo!